There he is.
Yeah.
There he is. I cannot believe we are catching redfish in this little 5-foot creek. What is up, people of YouTube?
What's up, you guys? Jeff and I are out this morning, bright and early, and we're hoping to get on a good redfish bite, y'all.
That's right. Redfish is the name of the game today. So right now we are fishing a flooded tide. Or high tide. And what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna show y'all some super kind of like skinny water, getting into some back creeks and everything, redfish action. Hopefully we're gonna catch the redfish today.
All right, hang tight, you guys. We're about to get out to this spot, and we're gonna bring some big boys into the boat today, show you guys what's happening out here on the waters.
There we go. Boom. Just making our way back to where we're fishing. So up in here, as y'all can see, this is where like the redfish will come, and when the fiddler crabs start kind of getting out of their burrows and everything, this is where like a lot of the redfish that they'll come in. We also have a lot of like oyster bars and you know, just places where these like smaller bait fish will come up inside, and the redfish, they'll literally come back up in here right at like high tide. All right, y'all, this is what we're gonna throw out here. So we've got a shrimp on, a little bit of larger shrimp, and popping cork. Let's see what Christy can do.
That's right.
All right, y'all, Christy's fishing the cork or the float, and then I'm switching it up.
You got him.
He's on. He's on.
I was just getting ready to tell Jay, I was like, cast right where hers are, but a little bit shy of it.
There we go. First fish on.
No, he's still
He's
on.
on. The cork's all
Oh, dang.
nope.
He got loose.
Yeah.
I figured, I was like, I saw it.
Oh,
Man.
0 for 1. Christy's on the cork and I'm on the Carolina rig.
Well, at least I...
Here, I'll catch him for you.
Well, I had so much slack in the line that I wasn't even paying attention. I was like...
Definitely some of the best. I love this fishing right here, you guys.
Right on the edge of a log,
Love it.
which could be good and bad. We'll see if it takes off.
Yeah.
If it takes off, we want to go over that. Hey, yeah, now it's floating the right way. That's the way. That's good.
Oh. That's something.
There you go.
Wow, that was fast. Didn't take long at all. Is he on? Yeah. He was running toward the boat. His little pup. Are you caught on me? Alright, cool. Come here, little pup. Alright, first puppy drum in the boat this morning on the float, 1/4 ounce jig head, and some fresh shrimp doing the trick. Check it out, you guys. First one I just pulled out for a little spot.
Yeah,
Dang.
Then it'll really run you
These
around.
guys are schooled up back here, getting away from dolphins at low tide, so we're just kind of fishing the schools, trying to find where they're at. And I think we've dialed in a good spot right here.
So another thing about these high tide spots is these fish in the winter time, in the early spring, they will school up super tight. There could be 100 fish just in this little area.
Flow troll bucket, where it landed, I was like, oh, it's going to hook that log.
There he is.
Yeah. Oh, Jeff's on.
Fish on.
It's a nice school back there.
He's running me into the logs. Get out of there.
He's a smart fish.
Right?
Look at that blue tail.
Oh man, that's
They know where the
awesome.
safety zone is.
That's right.
Giving me tons of shrimp. Look at that tail.
Love this fishing.
Look at that tag.
Right on.
Tag this one. So these fish are good and healthy. They're nice and stocky little fish.
Yeah, they are. It's a beautiful redfish.
He's like, I don't know what's getting ready to happen. I don't want that. It's like trying to get Tristan and the doctor to get a shot.
That's right. I'm the same way. All right, y'all. So I don't know if you can see this, but there is hundreds of fiddler crabs up on the bank right now. And all those little white little spotches that you see, those are fiddler crabs. There you go. Those, you can see all their little claws. That right there is what these redfish are coming back here and looking to feed on. Just literally right here in this like 20-foot wide creek.
All right, you guys, we're headed to spot number 2 this morning. We've already landed 3 in the boat, haven't even been out here very long, so it's already producing some decent numbers. Hopefully the next spot will be producing, bringing in some bigger fish to the boat, which will be awesome right before we head back home. And it is just beautiful out here. It's a little foggy, but the weather is amazing, and just stoked to be out here getting on some reds. And a lot of these fish are pushing up into the skinny water, real shallow. They're kind of hiding from a lot of those dolphins, so they're not really focused on feeding right now. Just really focused on staying warm, kind of staying together. So hopefully we're gonna be able to find the next school.
All right, you guys, so this is spot number 2 that we are heading towards right now. And as you can see, these creeks are like 10 feet wide. And this is just awesome. Would y'all believe that there's massive redfish swimming through?
This is literally, we're gonna be fishing in like
7 foot.
2 to 7 feet of water back here, and it's an incoming tide, so it's getting a little higher, so it's a little dangerous that we're getting back in here, but we're squeezing in.
All right, y'all, just bouncing this jig head with a shrimp on it. And let's see, Christy's got the float, I got the jig head. Who's gonna catch the first fish? Gotcha. There he is. Yeah. There he is. Fish on. I cannot believe we are catching redfish in this little 5-foot creek. This is crazy. Yeah, it is. It's a decent sized red too. And he's all up in the grass. Yeah, he is. Open the bill for you.
It's like all golden color as well.
All right, y'all. There it is. Beautiful, beautiful redfish. In like, what, 10 feet wide little creeks? That is awesome. Man, that is so beautiful.
Well, you guys, I had a fish on, and he stole half of my shrimp. Look at those shrimp eyes. Well, Jeff had one, I was filming him. I got hooked up, but. Oh. I'm over there. Oh, that's a fish. Woo, yeah. Nothing like fishing for reds in some super skinny water all the way in back creeks. This is awesome. Just had a nice little Carolina rig set up. Oh my gosh.
Little baby black.
Baby black drum. All right, definitely not the target species, but
He's a cousin.
he's cute.
Another one they're tagging.
All right, you guys, switching my setup to 1/2 ounce egg sinker right here, 2-way swivel, 1 circle hook, and putting on some fresh crab. Gonna switch up my setup and my bait right now.
Here we go.
See if I can get on a nice red with this chunk of blue crab. Oh wow.
Try to suck the bait off.
Okay, that's all right. Make sure he's hooked on there. Good, that's a drum. It's gotta be a red drum. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh no, it's just a little pup.
Quick release. Busted your hook off. Get you another hook.
Hey, you strung my hook. All right, quick release by the boat, you guys.
All right, y'all. Show y'all how we're rigging it today. Just going right through. Took the tail off of the shrimp. Just going right through the tail. This is probably one of the more popular ways to rig a shrimp on a jig head.
Thank you.
And that's it right there.
All right, so this is my setup. I got, what do we got?
Where are you at? Just hooking this blue crab. So we're just gonna go in through one of the appendages and we're gonna go right out the shell. Just like that. All right, y'all, I'm gonna change it up a little bit. Doing a blue crab action.
Okay, that's...
There he is. Fish on. That's a nice fish. This is crazy. I gotta tighten my drag. Oh. Yeah. I'm just so blown away by this fishing spot. There he is. Oh, that's a good size one.
Dang, babe. You're pulling out all the big rods.
Caught this guy on the blue crab. Dang, he'll go over 20. There we go. Well, there it is, y'all. That is awesome. Catching
In a little teeny tiny spot.
massive fish.
We'll measure him and see exactly what he is. Yeah, a little bit over. He'd hit 24.
All right, y'all. So there it is. Beautiful redfish. 10-foot wide creeks. It really does not get much better than this right here. Here you go. Me off.
Where are you catching those big ones?
Right there where you casted. You on?
Yep, I'm on. Okay.
Perfect.
Hopefully this is a good red.
Ain't bad. Looks like a black drum.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. It's a nice black drum. Wow, I'm getting on all the black drums. Sweet. Well, that's a fun catch. I'll take it. All right, you guys. This is the most ultimate spot ever. Just pulled out a nice sized black drum. If you can kind of hear him, he's just drumming away. Can you guys hear that? So cool. Love catching black drum. Such a good eating fish. Just tagged him up. We're trying to tag all of our fish today. And we're gonna go ahead and release this guy. There's a lot of reds, black drum. And this is my second drum of the day. This is actually a more legit size than the first baby we caught, but cool. All right, you guys, we're gonna give this guy a nice little release and he's off.
Yeah. There's the fish. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Man, it's a really good fish. To the left. Oh man, this guy's got me. Oh. All right, y'all. I'm hooked up on a toad right now. Oh, my drag is like tightened all the way.
Sorry, I'll catch a fish.
He's like pulling the boat around, running me in the grass. Get out of there.
Big reds today.
Oh, he's all in the grass. Look at that.
Ooh,
Man, that thing just smoked it.
I see some colors. Nice.
Yeah.
Lines are hard to see sometimes. You really see those crushers down there
Oh yeah.
in the back of his throat.
Yeah.
And
That's
they've
wild.
got teeth. But yeah, it's like amazing what they've got for teeth.
Yeah.
That most people don't, because you don't really see them. They really hide their teeth. But
right.
when you go to lip them and they bite down, they'll draw blood, and then those crushers in the back help them crush shells and crabs. And that's a stout fish.
Another beautiful, beautiful redfish. Just smoked this crab. Christy's on something. All right, let me let this fish go. Y'all, when you guys are reviving these redfish, do not go back and forth. It's more of a side to side, and you just really kind of want to let the redfish kind of swim on their own. And there he goes. He got him. Another beautiful, beautiful redfish. Just smoked this crab. Christy's on something.
All right, I don't know what kind of fish this is. Maybe hopefully it's a nice red. A little puppy drum. It's bringing me through the weeds. Oh man, just a little red. Pretty little fish. Nice looking drum. All right, not bad for a little pup. This would be a good tournament fish. A little 3 or 4 pounder pup. Give me a good fight though. I didn't know if it was a upper slot or what was going on, but got him out. He was literally running me through all the weeds and stuff, so I was hoping he wasn't gonna get all tangled up, but got him out, got him in the boat. That's all that matters. So, all right.
That's awesome.
Yeah, pretty fish. There's a little spot. Cool.
Sweet.
Very cool.